Hello everyone, hope you are well. This is the first session for learning about Taal system in Asian music. I guarantee after watching this video you will be able to clap any Taal in Asian music. A Taal is a rhythmic cycle composed of a number of beats, claps and waves. It's important to learn basic notation system which will guide you to which beat you need to clap, wave and how many divisions or bars are in the Taal. Okay, let's start. We use a simple 4-beat Taal called Kaherva Taal. So I have written notation for Kaherva Taal, which is a 4-beat cycle. As you can see, the Kaherva Taal has 4 matras or beats. It has 2 vibhags shown by bar lines which divides the number of beats, and the avartan is shown by double lines as the end of the Taal. The plus sign means sum or the first beat of a Taal. The 0 sign means khali, shown by a wave of the hands away from you. The cross underneath a beat tells you to clap on that beat. If you learn these signs and symbols, you will be able to clap or wave any Taal in Asian music. So to clap Kaherva Taal with the notation, you do it like this. You put your hand like that, and then your right hand or left hand if you're a left-handed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The reason why I use the fingers is because a composition can start from any beat, and a beat is called matra. So once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you're using the bowls or the strokes of the tabla, dhage natin nak dinna, dhage natin nak dinna, dhage natin nak dinna. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson, and please don't forget to subscribe and give us your feedback. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.